Good day. In this video, talk about the terms used in different branches of engineering. Topics are metrology, physics, mathematics, and programming. Is to study the relationship with the engineering. Metrology is the branch of the physics and study the measuring of magnitudes standardization by ensuring traceability. Shorten the measuring uncertainty by the tolerance range, include the study, maintenance, and implementation of the system of weight and measures. It acts both in the scientific, industrial, and legal fields, as well required by society. Its main objective is the acquisition and expression of the value of the magnitudes for the using tools, methods, and means the occurrence required in each case. Metrology has do very important theories and result and measuring and errors. Now I speak to the physics. Physics is the science that observes nature and tries to describe the laws they govern in by mathematical expressions. Under the mid-19th century, there were texts and courses in what came natural and experimental philosophy calling. With this name, the contrast between materials that depend on experience and others, such as literature and religion, which was done recognized. As the result and conclusions of the accumulated experimental philosophy, he began to difficult for one person to work around the field, then upper subdivisions. Well before 1850, chemistry, astronomy, geology, and other similar disciplines were separate and independent science. The core was running, and this happening was called physics because of the centralist relative to the other science. Understanding of physics is required in many other disciplines. Physics is a quantitative science that includes mechanical, thermal phenomena, electricity, and magnetism, optics, and sound. These materials are part of classic physics if solving a physical problem to be considered close to the speed of light when compared to the size of the atom. This must take into account the principle of law of modern physics, the discoveries of the 20th century. This principle includes relativity and quantum mechanics. It's difficult on recognize that we live in a scientific and technological world. The physical is a fundamental part of a world that influences our society on any scale. In range from the infinity large astrophysics to the infinity small, the physics of elementary particles. So it is no wonder the physical presence of the all thought represents scientific and technical progress. Now I will talk about math. Mathematics is a basic of everything in this world. From the moment you're born, these are entering the mathematical world. It's a way of universe is mathematical. That is, the importance of mathematics in engineering is required. And engineering needs the ability to reason and solve complexities in the world in which the operates. I study computer system engineering and mathematics serve me graphic to solve system, scheduling software, program video games platforms, working with audio waves, amplify or reduce. Probabilities determine that our system malfunction or failure. See behavior of this function on system understand and optimize the transfer of information by means of wave, converting certain complex process simpler function and things.